All of you. Any element can participate in the chemical reactions due to get stability. Stability of atom gain octet configuration. Oct means 8 electrons are present in the outermost shell. Means electronic configuration of octet is ns2np6. 2 electrons are present in the s orbital, 6 electrons are present in the p orbital. 2 plus 6 equal to 8. Any element get a octet configuration by losing or gaining or sharing of electrons. So the chemical reactivity of any element depend on valency electrons. So the number of electrons present in the outermost shell is called valency. These valency shells are two types: inner shells and outer shell. Outer shell means last shell, and remaining shells are belongs to inner shells. For example, atomic number of carbon is 6. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. 2 electrons are present in the K shell. 4 electrons are present in the L shell. So the numerical electronic configuration of carbon is 2, 4. So the number of valence electrons present in the carbon is 4, and core electrons. The number of electrons present in inner shells are called core electrons. Core electrons cannot participate in the chemical bond formation. For example, 2 core electrons are present in the carbon atom. Next, calculation of valency. Valency of elements like first A to fourth A group elements equal to its group number. So example for calculation of first A group elements: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium belongs to first A group elements. So the first A group elements valency is 1 due to general electronic configuration is ns1. Second A group elements: beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium are belongs to second A group elements. So the valency of second A group elements is 2 due to the general electronic configuration of these group elements is ns2. The valency of third A group elements: boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium are belongs to third A group elements. So the valency of third A group elements is 3 due to general electronic configuration of third A group elements is ns2 np1. And similarly, the valency of fourth A group elements: carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and leads are belongs to fourth A group elements. So the valency of these elements is 4 due to the general electronic configuration is ns2 np2. Chemical bonding. So the force of attraction between two or more atoms in a compound is called chemical bonding. Types of chemical bonding. Chemical bonds are mainly two types. First one ionic bond, second one covalent bond. So first one, ionic bond. Ionic bond is defined as the force of attraction between two oppositely charged ions is called ionic bond. Ionic bond is also defined as the transfer of electrons from one atom to another atom. Next, electrovalency. The number of electrons can participate in the ionic bond formation is called electrovalency. Examples for ionic compounds: first one, formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is formed by the combination of sodium and chlorine. So the atomic number of sodium is 11. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6 and 3s1. These are divided into shells K, L and M. 2 electrons are present in the K shell. 8 electrons are present in the L shell. 1 electron is present in the M shell. So this 1 electron lose to get a octet configuration. So losing of electrons get positive charge. So sodium lose 1 electron to form Na plus. Na plus ion consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of sodium plus ion is 2 and 8. Next, chlorine atomic number 17. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. So these are divided into shells K, L and M. So 2 electrons are present in K shell, 8 electrons are present in L shell, 7 electrons are present in M shell. So Chlorine gain one electron to get a stable. So gaining of electrons get negative charge. So Cl minus ion consists of 18 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of Cl minus ion is 2, 8 and 8. So sodium lose one electron get Na plus. Chlorine gain one electron gives Cl minus. So the electrons transfer from sodium to chlorine form NaCl. So the electrovalency of sodium in sodium chloride is 1 due to one electron is transferred from sodium to chlorine. Similarly, formation of magnesium oxide. Magnesium atomic number 12, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2. These are divided into shells K, L and M. So 2 electrons are present in K shell, 8 electrons are present in L shell and 2 electrons are present in M shell. So these 2 electrons lose to get a stability. Losing of electrons get positive charge. 2 electrons are lost to get a plus 2. So magnesium lose 2 electrons to form Mg plus 2 ion. Mg plus 2 ion consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of Mg plus 2 ion is 2 and 8. Similarly, oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. So these are divided into shells K and L. So 2 electrons are present in K shell, 6 electrons are present in L shell. Oxygen gain 2 electrons to get a negative charge. So oxygen ion contains minus 2 charge. So O minus 2 consists of 10 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of O minus 2 ion is 2 and 8. So 2 electrons are transferred from magnesium to oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. So the electrovalency of magnesium in magnesium oxide is 2. Similarly, formation of calcium oxide. Calcium oxide consists of calcium and oxygen. So atomic number of calcium is 20. Electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 4s2. So these are divided into shells K, L and M, N shell. So 2 electrons are present in K shell, 8 electrons are present in L shell, 8 electrons are present in M shell and 2 electrons are present in N shell. These 2 electrons lose to get a stable electronic configuration. So calcium lose 2 electrons to get a Ca plus 2 ion. Ca plus 2 ion consists of 18 electrons. So the numerical electronic configuration of Ca plus 2 ion is 2, 8 and 8. Calcium lose 2 electrons to get a Ca plus 2. Oxygen gain 2 electrons gives rise to O minus 2. Ca plus 2 plus O minus 2 gives rise to CaO. So 2 electrons are transferred from calcium to oxygen. So the electrovalency of calcium in calcium oxide is 2. So these are all belongs to examples for ionic compounds. Conditions for the formation of ionic bond. 3 conditions are there. Ionic bond is formed between metal and non-metal. Ionic bond is formed between the electronegativity difference between 2 atoms is greater than 1.7. Ionic bond is formed between low ionization potential and high electronegativity atoms. Second type, covalent bond. So the sharing of electrons between 2 bonded atoms is called covalent bond. So the number of electrons can participate in the covalent bond formation is called covalency. So examples for covalent compounds. First one, formation of hydrogen molecule. Hydrogen atomic number 1, electronic configuration is 1s1. So another hydrogen also 1 electron. It is present in 1s orbital. So due to get stability, 2 hydrogen atoms having 1 electron is required. So this 1 electron is mutually shared between 2 hydrogen atoms in a hydrogen molecule. So single electron is mutually shared between 2 hydrogen atoms. That's why single bond is present between 2 hydrogen atoms in a hydrogen molecule. Second one, formation of oxygen molecule. Oxygen atomic number 8, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. These are divided into shells. 2 electrons are present in K shell, 6 electrons are present in L shell. So another oxygen also has 8 electrons. So 2 oxygen atoms require 2 electrons for the stability. So these 2 electrons mutually shared between 2 oxygen atoms. So 2 electrons are mutually shared between 2 oxygen atoms. That's why double bond is present between 2 oxygen atoms in a O2 molecule. So the covalency of oxygen in O2 molecule is 2. Next, formation of nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen atomic number 7, electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. These are divided into shells K and L shell. So 2 electrons are present in K shell, 5 electrons are present in L shell. So nitrogen gets stability by gaining of 3 electrons. So another nitrogen also having 3 electrons. These 2 nitrogen atoms, 3 electrons mutually shared to form nitrogen molecule. 3 electrons are mutually shared between 2 nitrogen atoms in a nitrogen molecule. So triple bond is present between 2 nitrogen atoms in a nitrogen molecule. Radical. Radical is the charged species. So radical is classified into 2 types. First one, cationic radical. Second one, anionic radical. So any element can participate in the chemical reaction due to get stability. Some elements lose electrons to get stability. Some elements gain electrons get stability. So any element can participate in the chemical reactions by losing of electrons get a positive charge. These positive charge ions are called cationic radicals. So examples for cationic radicals: Na plus, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3 and NH4 plus. So one electron is lost to get a positive charge. So the cationic radical of sodium is Na plus. 2 electrons are lost in the outermost shell of the magnesium. So the ionic form of magnesium is plus 2. 3 electrons are lost to get stability. So the ionic form of aluminum is plus 3. These cationic radicals are 2 types: monoatomic radical and polyatomic radical. Mono means single. So one atom consists cation is called monoatomic radical. Example for monoatomic radical: Na plus, Mg plus 2. Polyatomic radical. Poly means more than one. So the cation in which contains more than one type of atoms is called polyatomic radical. Second type, anionic radical. The anionic radical in which gaining of electrons to get negative charge. Examples for anionic radicals: F minus, Cl minus, OH minus, SO4 minus 2, PO4 minus 3. So anionic radicals are also further 2 types: monoatomic radical and polyatomic radical. Monoatomic radical means single atom is present in the anion is called monoatomic anionic radical. Examples for monoatomic anionic radical is F minus, Cl minus, Br minus. Next, polyatomic anionic radical. Poly means more than 2. So the anion in which contains more than 2 atoms is called polyatomic anionic radical. Example for polyatomic anionic radical is OH minus, it is called hydroxide ion. SO4 minus 2, it is called sulfate ion. PO4 minus 3, it is called phosphate ion. Chemical formula of compound. So compound is formed by combination of number of atoms. So write the chemical formula of the compound. So for example, formation of sodium chloride. Sodium chloride consists of sodium radical and chloride radical. So charge on sodium 1, charge on chloride is 1. So charges are applied crisscross method. Crisscross method means charges are opposite together. So here sodium charge 1, chloride charge 1. So two charges are cancelled. So the formation of sodium chloride is NaCl. So the molecular formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Next, magnesium oxide. So magnesium radical formula Mg plus 2, oxygen radical formula O minus 2, charge on magnesium 2, charge on oxygen 2. So apply crisscross means charges are opposite together to form magnesium oxide. So the molecular formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. Formation of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate consists of calcium radical and carbonate radical. Charge on calcium radical 2, charge on carbonate radical 2. So charges are opposite together. So two charges are cancelled to form CaCO3. So the molecular formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. Formation of aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate consists of aluminium radical and sulfate radical. So charge on aluminium 3, charge on sulfate 2. So applied crisscross means charges are opposite together to form Al2SO4 taken thrice. So the chemical formula of aluminium sulfate is Al2SO4 taken thrice. Formation of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide consists of two radicals, ammonium plus and OH minus. Charge on ammonium radical 1, charge on OH minus radical 1. So charges are crisscrossed to form ammonium hydroxide. So the chemical formula of ammonium hydroxide is NH4OH. Magnesium chloride. Magnesium chloride consists of two radicals, magnesium radical and chloride radical. Charge on magnesium 2, charge on chloride 1. So these charges are crisscrossed to form MgCl2. So the chemical formula of magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Chemical formula of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate consists of two radicals, Na plus and CO3 minus 2. So charge on Na plus 1, charge on carbonate is 2. So charges are crisscrossed to get a chemical formula. So chemical formula of sodium carbonate is Na2CO3. Formula of and common names of some different compounds. For example, caustic soda. Chemical formula NaOH. Chemical name sodium hydroxide. Rock salt. Chemical name sodium chloride. Chemical formula NaCl. Baking soda. Chemical formula NaHCO3. Chemical name sodium bicarbonate. Washing soda. Chemical name sodium carbonate. Chemical formula Na2CO3 10H2O. Soda ash. Chemical formula Na2CO3 and chemical name sodium carbonate. Salt cake. Chemical formula Na2CO3, chemical name sodium sulfate. Carnallite. Chemical formula KCl MgCl2 6H2O. Borax. Chemical formula Na2B4O7 10H2O. Slaked lime. CaOH taken twice. Chemical name calcium hydroxide. Limestone. Chemical formula CaCO3. Chemical name calcium carbonate. Quicklime. Chemical formula CaO. Chemical name calcium oxide. Magnesite. Chemical formula MgCO3. Chemical name magnesium carbonate. Dolomite. Chemical formula MgCO3 CaCO3. Chemical name magnesium carbonate and calcium carbonate. Epsom salt MgSO4 7H2O. Gypsum CaSO4 2H2O. Plaster of Paris calcium sulfate and half H2O. Milk of magnesia MgOH taken twice. Chemical name magnesium hydroxide. Valency of group elements from 50A to 8A group elements formula 8 minus group number. For example, valency of 50A group elements like nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth, formula 8 minus group number. These are belongs to 50 group elements. So 8 minus 5 equal to 3. The valency of 60 group elements. Oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium are belongs to 60 group elements. So 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So the valency of 70 group elements. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, astatines are belongs to 70 group elements. So formula 8 minus group number 8 minus 7 equal to 1. The valency of 8th group elements. Helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon belongs to 8th group elements. Formula 8 minus group number 8 minus 8 equal to 0. 8th group elements are also known as 0 group elements.